In today's video, I'll teach you how to find Hulu promo codes. So if you want to find the Hulu promo codes, it is actually very simple. You'll have to visit the websites or platforms that offers you the promo codes for various stores. Here I'm just going to visit Coupon Follow. So if you want to do that, first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in couponfollow.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Coupon Follow. From here, you'll be able to search for a store. Click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Hulu. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on this option, hulu.com. Now you'll be led to another interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see all the top available promo codes over here. You'll be able to find the options like 15% off, 20% off, 5% off, 44% off, etc. What you have to do is simply find the offer that you like the best. After you do that, click on this option, show coupon code that you can see on that particular offer. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to get the promo code over here. You can also redeem it directly at Hulu. If you want to do that, click on this option, redeem at Hulu. If you only want to copy this, simply click on this option, copy. Now you'll be able to use it during the checkout in Hulu and you'll be able to get the promised discount. So like this, you'll be able to get the promo codes. So that is how you get Hulu promo codes. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.